my other mahogany splendor hibiscus. There's two of them. And then I have a rudbeckia tucked back there, and there's another amaranth back there, the velvet curtain, but I left it in a pot too long. She might take off before fall. Alright, let's go over here and look at my pond area. Guys, this is my beautiful banana tree. Isn't she gorgeous? And then I have my yellow dahlias back here. Look at those little cuties, aren't they beautiful? I need to move my camera so I can see better. It's beautiful little yellow dahlias. Oh, I see why my camera's all wonky. My camera slid sideways off the tripod. But under here is my black elephant ear. I forget the name of her. And then my others. Oh, I got some kind of a nest of some kind right here. Looks like a caterpillar or something. And then these are, let's step back a little bit. My elephant ears. And then I have another canna back here in bloom. I have another black or red leaf canna with the reddish, orangish, and then there's another amaranth. And my little prawns. Now over here, guys, oh, my cosmoses are going to be, oh, it looks like that one was already blooming and I missed it. It's been so daggone rainy, but now look, these are my other elephant ears. And that's my water lily right there, which has not bloomed yet for me. But there's my other elephant ears. Look at the leaf. Look at the variegation on this leaf. It was like this last year too, but it wasn't as big. Look at that. Isn't that freaking gorgeous? And this is the only leaf. No? No? Here's variegation. Let's see. I'm trying to get it in the shade. There's more variegation there. And there. And right there. And that's bird poopy. Oh, wow. Oh, look, this one's got variegation too. Wow, that is so cool. Well, see, these others were not like that this year. I want to look at the stem. Oh, yeah, look. Stupid car. Here's another leaf coming. See how they grow? That's why you don't want to cut your leaves off down at the bottom, because there is new leaves coming out right there, and it looks variegated. Look at the variegation right here, guys. Can you see it? And then I've got more elephant ears back here, and another amaranth. Woo! But I just wanted to show you guys real quick, give you some updates. I don't know if I have anything new in bloom in my corner garden. Oh, yes I do. Let's go over there real quick. I got my hostas. The weeds aren't taken over again yet, but they will be. Those are all planted new this year. Separated and planted out. Ooh, there's a big weed right there. Two of them I gotta pull. Alright, I want to show you over in my other garden, but it's really weedy, so don't judge me. Okay, look at this beauty. Now, I do not remember the name of it, and the tag is buried, but it's like a neon color bush, and it gets all these little, I think it's some kind of a sage. But look at all the, can you guys see all of the little tiny itty bitty bees all over it? I think they're sweat bees. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really tell all that great. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I have another one over here.